Hello everybody, it is me, Mr. Anakin. Today, I'm gonna be doing nature with this kid. Yeah, the kid is myself. There's this squirrel, we call him Alvin. I don't think he wants a potato or a tomato. Let me activate my GoPro. GoPro started. I think this one kid wants to get a shout out to his channel. Well, I'll be back in a minute or a second. I'm gonna get as close as possible. The tomato. Oh no, right past. No, don't go away from the food. Okay, this is me signing off, everybody. I want to give a shout out to my friend Peeps24. He's a bit camera shy right now. Oh, come out, Peeps24. Come out. You know you want to, Peeps24. I'm like a ninja, Peeps24. Oh, okay. Oh, goodbye, everybody.